Hello, hello. I was craving it. I had to get it again. We have a double banh mi today. Double banh mi, the traditional one with the stuffed kind of pork thingy, and I don't know what exactly. The chicken one, both you might see. Look at this stuff. It's glorious. Have also extra avocado in there. That was an option, and I was like, yes. The drink adventures continue though. We have this new Barbican apple flavor malt drink, whatever that means. So you can see it's in Arabic, so it must come from one of those places where they speak Arabic. That's my detective resolution. And has a glorious, like, shiny apple at the top, like all hail the apple, which is what some people do with phones. So we'll see if this drink is worth the praise. All right. See, this is a twisty one, not like the Marco one. I had to get a thing. Twisty. That's a green apple smell, so that is good. Hopefully the rest doesn't disappoint. It tastes like a little bit somewhat sour green apple though. Like the first second, then kind of phases out a little bit. All right, not bad. I wouldn't drink it all the time, but pretty nice. Again, nice style as well. Nice style. First one, there's so much to eat. No. Nice and crunchy. Get some of the avocado in there. Oh, it is nice though. It is nice. It's not bad. I'd probably try other flavors they have. See how it goes. It's not like the blue drink. Pretty good. Well, they make so much noise. extra avocado is nice. No surprise, but still, I gotta say it. Alright, chicken time. This one, fit in more. Chicken, chicken, chicken. I gotta give it to him. It's the third time I order. The bread is fresh, super crunchy, but not like dry. Everything is, they know how to buy meat. They really do. Avocado. Okay, let me try it. Yeah, eating it like this can be dangerous. We can do it. Yeah. Chicken, nice, not rubbery like some places do it. These types of overall very nice. You know what? It feels good to see that I'm only halfway through. You're like enjoying it, but you're still hungry, but you're like, The eyes are like, and the stomach's like, Essential vitamins. You do not waste these. Look at that. Nice. Let me do a 3D turn thingy. And back. Appreciate, enjoy. And there's yet another one. You know, it's weird. This is pretty big. It's pretty packed. You can see it. And it's maybe like 10 inches. But, and you know, I'm eating it. I'm fine. It's great. And then I'm thinking, I go to Subway. I eat 1/12-inch. I think I've eaten 1.5 at some point. But it's like more than one starts being a lot. I don't know why. Maybe they put something in it. They make the bread super heavy or something. And this is more. Even the buffet, you know, you prepare yourself, you go to the buffet, all you can eat. Then another meal, and it's, I don't know. I can't eat as much. Anyway, this, beautiful, nice, crunchy, golden, shiny, some avocado on top, because I guess the guy was making it and was like, because that's not me. And yeah, let's go. So good. Uh-oh. Sorry. Why is this one even more delicious? I mean, that's great. I don't know. It's like a final push. Like it's a marathon, and at the end, it's been running for a while, and it just pushes, run extra fast, extra delicious. It's the half of the other one. Right. So there you have it. Pretty nice apple drink. Only 100 calories, by the way. And there's quite a bit of sugar, more sugar than I thought, but you don't taste it that much. But it's there though. Your body's like, blah. So you can pretend that it's healthy, but the sugar is gonna be inside you. Anyway, pretty nice. This, magnificent. I don't know how to say it in Vietnamese, but mamma mia. Great. Every time. The extra avocado made it have extra avocado. What more can I say? Delicious. I'll see you next time with something else. Though I'm gonna be craving this again. Oh yeah. Anyway, bye.